Hi everybody, I'm Joel Stocksdale for Autoblog. We're checking out the 2018 BMW X3. It's all new for this model year, and this particular one is the xDrive30i. It's one of two models that are available on this version of the X3. The other version is the M40i. This xDrive30i comes with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 248 horsepower. The M40i has a turbocharged straight 6 that makes 355 horsepower. This is all new for 2018, and it's a very evolutionary style. Like a lot of BMWs. Not a whole lot has changed. The taillights have been made a little bit more organic and sleeker. They've been slimmed down a bit. The rear window here is a little simpler, doesn't have as many angles going on. It's got the corporate vent in the front fender. And up front, the grille has been made a little bit larger, and the headlights don't connect to the grille like they used to. We're inside the 2018 BMW X3 xDrive30i, which is the base entry-level trim, right below the M40i. We're just going to take a quick look at the interior. The 2018 X3 is all new for this model year, and the interior, although it's very immediately recognizable as a BMW interior, is different from the past one. The dashboard has been given an overhaul that makes it look a little bit thinner, a little bit lighter. It doesn't have quite as many large chunks of plastic connecting all of the center stack and the center console. It also has wood a little bit more liberally placed down here in the center console and also up here on the dashboard. It's also got a really nice, bright, clear, crisp center display. It's very easy to read, it's very responsive. And the instrument cluster also has a nice LCD display. It's an interesting mix of conventional analog dial along with an actual screen. And the screen changes when you change driving mode. In Sport you get these little red indicators all over the place, while Comfort is a little bit more plain. And it's a little bit light out, but it does have ambient lighting on the interior. It's a little bit difficult to see right now, but it's available in a variety of colors. It illuminates in the little gaps in the dash and in the door panels. But overall, it's a nice place to be. It's not as extreme or as wild as some of its competitors, but if you like BMW interiors, you will feel absolutely at home in here. This is exactly what you want.